Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really nice Hefty brand 24-foot gooseneck. It's got a pipe rail top, which makes it extra sturdy. It doesn't flex as much. Really nice toolbox. Got the safety chains and racks, and as I mentioned, this is a 2021, so it's basically a brand new trailer. It's 14,000 pound, 16 by 6 inch wheels, 80 psi tires, and it's a 24-foot. Looks like it was sold by Oklahoma Trailer Sales. The previous owner added the E-Track system, which is really nice. Gives you some flexibility. Like a very nice powder-coated toolbox. Very well marked on the side. LED lights. Nice 8-lug wheels with serviceable hubs. On the back, it has a channel where you can put a piece of wood and make like a little tailgate. It also has a receiver hitch on the back and 2 fold-out ramps. That's your LED license plate light. But a very nice trailer. The gentleman that had it hauled a couple of side-by-sides on it. And he ran the straps over the wheels and onto the E-Track. So pretty slick way to do it. But if you're a hunter or you want to haul your Jeep or whatever you might have, this is a very nice trailer. It's available here today at Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We only have one. When it's sold, that's the only one we have. But we'd love to have your business. If you're looking for a like new trailer for a really good deal, get in touch with us. Excuse me, we're Texas Best Used Motorcycles, Mansfield, Texas. You can visit us online at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.